how to create a sales page for free. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own sales page using Google Sites. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing you might be wondering, what kind of sales page are you looking to create? So it can be for any affiliate link, or it could be for any product that you're promoting, any service that you're promoting, or any kind of affiliate that you might have. And you can make a sales page for your own product as well. A sales page is usually a individual page. Like I have this page over here, and you can see over here, this is like an affiliate page that I have created, and you can make a singular page promoting one type of item, and it's not necessarily a website, it's a one-page website. So to get started, you're going to go on to sites.google.com, and if you have your Google account logged in, you're going to be headed onto this basic dashboard. Once you go over here, you can view their template gallery, and you can pick out a template for you to work with, but I would suggest that you click on blank over here and start with a blank canvas, because it's pretty easy to design your own page. Now, one way you can do this is design it on the Google Sites platform, so you can enter all of the details over here. Or another thing you can do is go on to canva.com, and if you go on to canva.com, you can design certain elements or certain promotional boxes and then upload them onto your Google Sites platform. So it's a pretty simple and easy thing. Now, the first thing you're going to do is enter your site name. So let's just say we are doing necklace. We're doing some kind of necklace or jewelry or something like that. And what we're going to do is we're going to add the title over here. And obviously, if you go into the theme section over here, you can change the overall theme of the web page that you're designing. I can select one of these that have been already generated by Google, or I can click on custom over here and create a custom look for my website. Now, I'm going to actually go with the Google theme, but if you do want a bit more customization, you can do that. I'm going to go with this theme called Aristotle, and I think it looks pretty good. So I'm going to add my title text, which is going to be the best clover necklace. Or obviously you're going to make this a bit more realistic, but I'm just doing this to add different things. So I just want to give you guys an example of how you're going to create your page and how you're going to make a navigation on your page. So once you have entered that, I usually like to add a image of the product over here. So you're just going to click on images over here, and then you're going to click on upload, and then you can upload the image of your product onto the Google Sites platform. So you're just going to go into your images, and I'm just going to use these images as a reference. So let's just say this was the image that I was going for, and you can see there are different layouts like this. So you can add layouts as well if you want a description alongside your image. So I'm just going to add that image over here. I'm going to resize the image so it fits like this, and then you can add some text over here describing the item that you're promoting. So let's just say it's gold plated like this, and then we're going to add whatever XYZ description about it, whatever the actual product description is, you're going to add that. And obviously you can change the layout according to your image size, and if the image is a bit large, and if you want to display more images initially, you can do that as well. I usually just like to click on the banner over here and click on change image. You can click on upload over here, and then I like to add a image for my actual product directly as the banner for my background of my title. So once I have done that, you can see I have like a basic and simple page. Now, if you want to add a bit more design to it, you can go on to Canva, and then you can click on custom size over here, go on to inches instead of pixels, go on to a, let's say we want a 12 by 12 inch canvas, and you're just going to open that up. Once you have opened that up, we're going to start designing a little background page. So let's just say we want clover, or let's just say we want a necklace like this. And you can see there are many different graphics you can use and many different images you can use to create your little promotional banner or your promotional background. What I'm going to do is I am just going to keep on searching until I find like a cute image that I would want to use to advertise my items like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to expand the image like so, and then you can add different text on top to describe the image that you have or the product that you have. So once I have done this, I'm going to go on to text over here, and then I can add anything of this sort. So I can add some text like this, and I'm just going to click on download over here, download my image, go back onto my website builder, And then I can add images over here, click on upload my little new design that I just created onto the Google Sites platform. And obviously if you want to move sections, you can do that as well from over here. So you can see on your left you have these little dots, and if you want to move a section down or move one section above, you can do that as well. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to expand this image like this, and I'm going to just center it out, make sure it's all centered. You can see these when you're moving your cursor or your image, you can see these lines at the background. They're going to help you keep everything centered and nice. And then what I like to do is I like to go onto a image carousel, and I can click on insert images. I like to click on upload image and use any images of your product over here. Click on insert, and then you have a image carousel. So what this does is that the image actually moves when someone places their cursor on top of the image. You can add as many images as you want, but it does need to have a minimum of 2 images, but we can add more images if we want. So we're just going to add a couple of more images like this just to show you guys how it's going to look. Now you can see over here, this is just a singular page, and this is the difference between a free web page versus a website, because a website would have different navigations, a free page does not have navigation. So you need to keep that in mind when creating your web page to promote a product. Now, once you have designed your website, you're just going to click on publish over here, add any web address, and you're just gonna find whatever URL is available. So if we search for necklace, obviously that's going to be taken because that's pretty popular, but I'm just going to add a couple of numbers, and then I'm just going to click on publish over here. Once I have clicked on publish, I can just click on view, and now you guys can see that I have a great little promotional page for my necklace. It's pretty simple and easy, and you can use this in affiliate marketing or any other marketing technique that you want, even for your own product. We are about to end this video, and to end it on a good note, I would like to request you guys that if you found this video helpful, or if you found this method exactly what you wanted or what you were looking for, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and sharing it with your friends and family who might learn a thing or two from this video, or learn a thing or two from the hundreds of videos that we have on our channel. And of course, if you have any questions, any queries about anything in this video or related to our entire channel or any of our videos, make sure to leave a comment down below and ask us what you want from our videos. I tried to cover everything I could in this video, but if you want to see more details of the methods or the ways in this video, just let me know in the comments down below, and I'll be sure to make more videos on your suggestions. At the end of the day, it's all about providing you guys with valuable content that could help instill a positive change in your life and hopefully your friend and family's life as well. And at the end, I would like to request you to make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel, as it helps out our videos a lot. And again, thank you so much for watching. Till next time, goodbye.